Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an address in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here you can just press on the first option in the profile section, which is personal details. And you can see here your personal details, and if you want to add an address, you can just select the last option here, which is address, and here you can just select your country. You can write in the address line 1, and you can also write in an address line 2 if you want, but that is optional. After that you can just write in your postcode, your city, and you can just press save address down below then. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.